Good morning, students. As you all can see, I had explained you this example 6 last time. Okay, even I had said that 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square, if you all remember. So today I will be explaining you from question number example number 7. Yes, I had even discussed before making the video, and I had shown you also the PDF. Same PDF I am explaining. You can see here the question is, what least number must be subtracted from 7250, that means 7250, to get a perfect square. Also find a square root of this perfect square. So what you have to do is, you have to, by long division method, you have to divide. Here you don't have to keep point. Already I had said in a previous this online class that which is not in perfect square, in that we are finding their square root even in points also. But here till the whole number you will be doing. You can see over here, you can see 7250, it has been paired. Okay, period has been made, 2 period. Now 8 8 64 has been written, and while subtracting 8 came down, you can see 8 2 16, double of 8 is 16. Now 50, the next period comes. So when we keep 5, it will become 5 5 25, carry 2, and 5 6 30, and 2 32, and 5 1 5 and 3 8. So 825. Now you will see 25 is there. Okay, and even no period is left. No period is left. If any period will be left, we have to bring it down. Since here no period is left, nothing will be coming down now. And now if I will keep 1 also over here, that will be bigger than this. Okay, you have to see that when we will keep 1 also and it becomes bigger and no period is left, that means that becomes, now this much more is this, due to what? This number only, this 7250 is not a perfect square. So when we subtract this number, then it will become a perfect square. So here it has been written, this shows that 85 square is less than 7250 by 25. That means when we subtract 25 from here, we will get the square of this 85 square. So the least number to be subtracted from 7250 is 25. Required perfect square number is equal to 7250 minus 25, that is 7225, and root under 7225 is 85, is equal to 85. I hope all of you had understood it. It's very simple. In same way, if you will see example 8, find the greatest number of 4 digit which is a perfect square. Greatest number of 4 digit. At first when it is said greatest number, you at first you write greatest only. Okay, then you try to find its square root by long division method. You can see here 2 period had been formed, and what it has been done, as you know, 9 9 81. This is the biggest 2 digit square number also. So for 2 digit, the largest number we can apply over here 9 only. Okay, so 9 9 81. Now while subtracting it comes 18, and 9 9 comes down. Again double of 9 is 18. Now here which number should be kept? Already I had said how to know it. Simply, if you are not knowing, then you can understand. Okay, of course I will keep 1, then it will become 181. 2, then you will multiply with 2 and you will get 364. If you will keep 3 over here, then you will get what is 549. In same way, if you will keep 4 over here, then you will get 733. If you will keep 5 over here, then of course you will get 945. If you will keep 6 over here, then you will get how much? Okay, when you will multiply, you will understand. Like I am multiplying in this way: 18 6 88, and 9 6 54. So 88 and 5 93. So it becomes 934. Sorry, 18 6 108. It is not that 108, and 9 6 54. So 1134 it will become. Okay, so in this way you will multiply and you will check, okay, for which number it coming. So for 9 it is becoming, of course we can't keep 10. The largest number which digit we can keep is 9 only. Okay, from 1 to 9, or 0 we keep in such a situation where by bringing down the period also the number is smaller, then we keep 0 for next period. Okay, so what happens? This shows that 99, then now you can see 198. Now if I will take another divisor which is double of 99, it will become 198. Now if I will keep 1 also over there, then it will become 1981, which is much bigger than this. Okay, you should not see this 189 and 198. Now you will see the next division. Okay, okay, is it clear to everyone? I hope this is clear to everyone. This shows that 99 square is less than 999 by 198. That means 9999 by 198. So the least number to be subtracted is 198. Hence the required number is 9999 minus 198, that is 9801, and its square root is 99. It has not been said to find the square root, so it has not been written. The root under 9801 is 99. So now if you will see this example 9 is over here. What least number must be added to 5607 to make the sum a perfect square? Find this perfect square and its square root. Okay, what it has been said, what least number must be added to 5607. Okay, that means 5607 to make the sum perfect square. Find this perfect square number and its square root. So of course here it has been said added. In earlier, if you can see in two examples, there it has been said subtracted. What is the difference in added and subtracted? You can see in both the cases long division is being done, but in addition what we do is we take the bigger than this quotient. Earlier what we used to do, what the quotient comes from there, we used to subtract the remainder. But now what the question comes, we will take one bigger than that. You can see over here 5607 is greater than 74 square and less than 75 square. Okay, so from 75 square we will be subtracting this 5607 to know the number which should be added to it to make it a perfect square. So you can see here it has been written. We observe here, you can see how it has been long division done. We try to find out square root of 5607 divided by 7. At first 2 pair has been formed, so 7 7 is 49, 7 left, from here 07, and now what will happen, came down 07, so double of 7 is 14. Okay, now here 4 is kept, and with 4 4 is 16, 6, carry 1, again 4 4 is 16 and 1 17, and then after 4 1 is 4 and 1 5, 17, 1 carry was there, so 5. Now after subtracting we get how much? Of course this is 1, 7 minus 6 is 1. Now taken carry from here, then it becomes 10, 10 minus 7 is 3, and here 6 minus 5 is 1, so 131. Now it is smaller than 144. You can see that also. Already I had said it is not necessary that always what it will be coming over here should be smaller than that only. Okay, if the biggest number already I had said, you can keep 9, and the smallest number which you can keep is 0. Okay, so here you can see we observe here that 74 square is less than 5607 and 5607 is less than 75 square. The required number to be added is equal to 75 square, because you have to add, then the number, of course, square number will become bigger, not the smaller one. So 75 square minus 5607, so you will be finding 75 square. Okay, now as you can see here multiplication has not been solved. So multiplication, if you want to do by trick method, you can do it by trick method. I can remember when a student has asked, can't we do this exercise only with trick method? No, we have to do it process. But of course multiplication or other things which makes your calculation fast, you can do it by the trick. You can see over here as it has been done, 5 5 is 25, so 5, and then after carry 2, then after 7 5 is 35, and 7 5 is 35, it will become 70, and 2 72, so 7 will be there, and 7 7 is 49, and 7 56. I hope all of you had understood this. Okay, not during the online class you can ask me the trick of multiplying 2-digit number or 3-digit number. I will be explaining that also. So it becomes 5625 minus 5607, it becomes 18. So clearly the required perfect square is how much? 5607 plus 18, that is 5625, and root under 5625 will be how much? 75. So x square root is 75, as it has been said. find this perfect square and its square root also. So perfect square has been also found and its square root has been also found. So now let's move towards example number 10. If you will see example number 10, here it is, find the least number of 6 digit which is perfect square. Find the square root of this number. You have to also find the square root of these numbers. Okay. Least number of 6 digits. So what we will do, at first here also we will do additionally. Why? Because when we will do division and when we will get remainder, and when we will subtract remainder from there, as you know, from least number of 6 digit, even a single digit 1 is subtracted, then it changes into 5 digit number. So it can't be 6 digit number. So here you have to add. You can see what it has been done. At first it has been written the least number of 6 digit is 1 lakh, which is not a perfect square. Now we must find the least number which when added to 1 lakh gives a perfect square. This perfect square is the required number. Okay, here what it has been said, add it, because when we subtract it will become 5 digit number, and it has been asked over here 6 digit number, so no subtraction. Now we find our square root of 10 lakh at first. Okay, sorry, not 10 lakh, 1 lakh it is. So now here 3 period has been formed. As you can see, 3 3 is 9 and 1 came down and 2 0, that means it becomes 100, and again double of 3 is 6, and we have to keep only 1, because if you will keep 2 it will become 124, and which is bigger than 100. I hope all of you are understanding it. So it becomes what? 61 into 1, of course it will be 61, and then after a while subtracting from here, 10 minus 1 9, and here it is 9, 9 minus 6 is 3. So again next period comes 2 0. Okay, so you can see over here 31 double will become 62. Now by keeping 6 it comes, already I had said how will know, by keep multiplying you can understand. When you will start to multiply 4 5 6 questions, in 4 5 6 questions, automatically in your brain calculating math power will be increasing, and you will be getting few ideas. Okay, in this way I can multiply and I can understand in mind. Then you no need to then you will find, okay, there is no need to multiply with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Simply we can imagine, okay, by this number it can be divided. So or by when we multiply with this number, it can come smaller or bigger than this. So slowly you will getting developed in the power of multiplication if you will multiply by yourself. But if you will try to do it with by calculator or by the help of mobile, you will be losing your multiplication techniques. You will be not knowing the ideas of fast calculation, and as you know, during examination there will be problem. What will happen? Now you will not be doing multiplication. Okay, and so your multiplication accuracy will also be very less. Okay, for getting accurate product also you will be there will be very less chances. Okay, and you will even find difficulty in doing multiplication. Although you all are in 8th class now, I hope all of you know that. But what happens whenever we do not do multiplication, then at the time of multiplication during exam, what happens, it takes a lot time, and due to that you miss few questions, or you are in hurry during the last time. Okay, so you should build your multiplication technique by yourself, and that will be done in only by multiplying by yourself, not by the calculator or mobile. Okay, so you can see with 6 it has been done. 37 56 already I had also said how to know that if I will keep 1, then it will become 621. If I will keep 2, then what we will do, simply we will multiply with 2, it will become 1244. As you can see, I am explaining, I had not multiplied in any page, and I am saying simply I am multiplying with mouth. Suppose if I had kept over here 3, so 3 3 is 9, 2 3 is 6, and 6 2 is 12, so it becomes 12 3 3 is 9 with 3, so 2 3 is 6, okay, and 6 3 is 18, so it becomes 1869. If I will keep 4, then I will multiply with 4. 24 into 4 it becomes 96, and 6 into 4 it becomes 24, so 2496 it becomes, that means 2496. If I will keep 5, then of course 65 into 5 it is how much? 3200, sorry 32 or 3325 it will come. As you can see, 25 into 5 is how much? 125. Carry 12, and then after 25 into 6 is 150. So 12. In that way you can just add and you can do. That means orally with mouth. This is how, by doing multiplication. As you can see, I am always doing multiplication. Either I am teaching in class 9, 8 or 7 or 6. I am doing it on the board. Okay, or I am simply saying the answer by my mind, because my mind calculation becomes sharp. Why? By doing these things only, by doing the multiplication by hand. So you should keep the habit of making multiplication by hand. So with 6 it becomes 6 6 36, carry 3, 6 to the 12 and 3 15, again carry 1, and 6 6 36 and 1 37. You can see I am multiplying with the mouth and explaining you. So you can see 10 minus 6 it is 4, and then after 9 minus 5 it is 4, and then after here 8 minus, because 1 has been taken carry, so 8 minus 7 is 1, and it has been cancelled. So 144 is less than 626. That means this 1 lakh is greater than the square of 316 and smaller than the square of 317. So if I see this square, this is less than the 6 digit, this is 5th digit number, and this is the 6th digit smallest number, which is a perfect square. Okay, so you can see it has been done the same thing. The least number to be added is equal to 317 square minus 1 lakh. Here also you can multiply using the trick, or simply you can multiply in general method, but try to multiply by your hand only. Okay, after doing multiplication by hand, either it is right or wrong, that you can check with the help of this mobile or calculator, but don't make it directly with calculator. Okay, so you can see it is 489. So hence the required number is 1 lakh plus 489, and 1 lakh 489 becomes the smallest 6 digit square number. Okay, whose square root is 370. So this is all in the example. If you will see here, it has been said to find a square root only. So from here all things we have read about a square root only. It is, you have to make just it like example 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 examples. Okay, so by any example, by watching any example and understanding any examples, you can make it. Okay, up to 5. It is like 1 to 12 questions only. So if you will see, even I had explained one question, that is 12 number. If you will see over here in my solution, okay, so here it is, as you can see. Yes, 12 number, the question was 92,416. Okay, even you can sit it with your book, because again already I had said several times, I will not be going back to my PDF question page. Even I am sitting with the book now and I am explaining you. So you can see here 92,416. I had arranged this in the form of multiplication. Okay, sorry, not multiplication, in the form of long division method. And here what we had done, we had done pairing. Pairing is always done from last. Okay, it is 1 6 1 pair, 2 4 1 pair, and 9 it is left single, so it is single number pair. Okay, now what we done, at first we had to multiply the first single number pair. So 3 first pair, that is, or first period also you can see, that is 3 3 and 9. It has been cancelled. Now 2 4 comes down. You can see double of 3 is 6. If you will keep 0 also, then it is what, actually by keeping 0 it will become 0 only. If you will keep 1 also, then it will become 61, which is bigger. So you have to keep 0 only. So I had kept 0 and I had again written 24 down only. By keeping even over here 0, and then after you can bring this 1 6, and here itself you can keep the number and do. As you can see below, it is coming 2416, of course. So what happens, here comes 2416, next period also comes when you keep 0. Then now when we keep 4 4 the 16, carry 1, and then after 4 0 the 0, and carry 1 was there, so 1, and 6 for the 24. So it has been cancelled. So a square root of 92,416 is 304. I hope all of you had understood this. Now if you will see, just below this question starts word problem. Okay, in word problem I can see here in the book there is the question 13 number I had not made, 14 number I had made. Okay, so 13 and 14 are similar. If you will see, find the least number which must be subtracted from 2509 to make its perfect square. Okay, it is just like the word problem which has started from example. You can see over here, I can see in my book example 6. Okay, 6 actually it is the cost, not the example 6. If you will see here, it has been said what least number must be subtracted. So example 7 you can refer. Okay, just like example 7 it should be made, or you can see I had also made. What you will do is simply you will just divide by long division method 7581 by making its period. You can see here 75 one period and 81 is another period. Now 8 is 64 I had done. Now while subtracting 8 comes 11 and 81 comes down. Now when we just multiply it, double of this 8, or even you can add this 8 and 8, it becomes 16. Okay, either you can do double or you can add. So 16 and then after 7 is there. Okay, how this 7 came? Because when you will go on multiplying with 5, 4, 6 or 8 over here by keeping, and you will find that is the bigger. So 7 is the perfect number. You can see over here I had made 7 7 is 49, carry 4, and then after 7 6 is 42 and 4 46, carry again 4, and 7 1 is 7 and 4 11. If you will see 8 by keeping 8, it will be, of course it will be a smaller. Okay, so now you can see from 11 9 is subtracted 2, and from 7, because 1 has been taken given carry to 1, so 7 minus 6 is 1. So what is the number? 12. 12 must be subtracted to get a perfect square of 87. So you can see here it has been written, hence 12 must be subtracted from 7581 to make it a perfect square. So perfect square is equal to 7581 minus 12 is equal to 7569. I hope all of you are knowing how to subtract. Okay, and you can see, and it's a square root. What is the square root? What number is over here? That becomes the square root. So it is 87. Square root is 87. Now if you will move down, okay, 15 it has been said added. In 16 also there is added only. So from 15 and 16 I had made 16. Okay, find the number which must be added to 8400 to obtain perfect square. Find this perfect square and its square root also. So see here it is about added, and as you can see, in addition what you have to do, you have to subtract the given number from the next bigger square number. If you will see question number 16 over here, I had explained what 8400 was given over there, or 8400 was given over there. So what I had done, I had made this pair. You can see. Okay, so 9 9 is 81, 3 came down, and 00 was there. So 9 9 18 added, and when you will keep 2, of course it will become 364, which is bigger. So with 1 it has been done 181, and while subtracting it becomes 119. So this becomes the number. What it has been said added. Sorry, it has been said added. So what will happen? From 1 bigger than this square, you will be subtracting the given number to know the number which will be added. So if you will see here, I have written least required number is equal to 92 square minus 91 square. That is 92. You can do 92 into 92. You will get 8464, and then after minus 91 into 91, it will become how much? It will become smaller than 8400. Like 91 into 91, how will happen? 9. Okay, how much it will become? Okay, 91 into 91, 1 1 is 1, and then after what happens? 1 9 is 9. So 91 at the top, and then after with 9 again it will be 9 below, and 9 9 is 81. So it will become bigger number. You can just simply multiply. Okay, 91 into 91, it will come smaller than 8400, and you have to add over here, so that it should be bigger by this. So bigger number is 92. So 92 square becomes 84 sorry, not 8464. From 8464, 92 square is 8464 and 91 square is 8400. No, there is mistake, sorry. You can see, okay, here it has been little bit wrong. I written 91 square, actually there should not be a 91 square, there should be given number, required list number which should be added in this was saying 8400 to make it perfect square is 64. So, and this square root becomes, here it has been said, and its square root is 92. Okay, so while adding it to square root becomes 92. So now I will be explaining you the last questions of the today. Okay, might be during online class I will be explaining you again from question number 18. So let's see. Question number 17. What is there? Find the least number of 4 digit which is a perfect square. Also find the square root of the number so obtained. Okay, it is same like the last example. Okay, if you will see question number, example number 10, same as example number 10 you have to do. Okay, that is, at first you will be taking the least number of 4 digit, then you will be finding its square root. Suppose if you had got any number, suppose 99 only, then you will do a square of 100. Okay, and then after what comes there, outcome, that much number should be what? Subtracted. But it is 7, find the least number of 4 which is a perfect square and find the square root of this number also. So what you will do? Least number of 4 digits which is perfect square. So least number of 4 digit is 1000. 1000 has been divided. You can see 3 is a 9. 1 came down and double 0 is there. So it becomes 100. Next to it comes. So 61 and 61. So now 39. And it has been said what should be added. So of course in 3 digits largest number you have to add 39. Okay students, that's all for today. As you can see, I had explained only up to 17, 18 number, 19 number, and then after few questions from exercise 18.f has been, 13.f has been left. So we will be discussing again this later on in next online classes. Okay, so till then, bye bye. Take good care and obey your parents and everyone. Okay, so thank you students. I am stopping the video now. Thank you very much.